Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Paola Rodriguez Ojeda.
What how years old?
I am 24 years old.
Where you live?
I live in City of Sogamoso.
I you single as Marvel?
I am single.
Have children.
I know God get kids.
With fillet let.
With my parents, my brothers.
What you do?
Study.
Where is study?
I study psychology at university.
With skill her?
Okay. I singer mother and person and there is very simple, responsible and sociable and kind.
Okay. What profession is her?
I do not get much experience, but I do words deepen and get my bats.
Because you can to be per 4 pint.
Because it's a great personal because and we to made minds scoring and school code notes are Joe.
Thank you, Paola.
Thank you.